Hello, welcome back to Beauty Brand. Today I have my update for my Panda Palette Challenge, and let me just show you the list. You see how full this is. I have a bunch of palettes here and I have a lot of updates, and I'm not really sure if I wrote everything down, like all the pans that I hit and everything that I finished. I'm just going to start off with the new palette that I got, and I finally received it. This is the Yes Please palette by Colourpop, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. You can also win this in my giveaway, which I will link up here. It's still going on. It's going on until the 21st, I think. This is what it looks like, and I have to tell that this golden shade here, I think it's called Chauffeur. That is something good. I don't know if you can tell, but there's already like a hot pan or something. There's something on top, and it looks nice in the palette itself, but using it is a bit of a mess. But yeah, I haven't really used it that much. I've used like 2 colors or 3 colors maybe, and I swatched a few, but I will need to work with this a bit more just to see how it is. But the palette itself is beautiful. So I got 12 new pans and 12 new shades basically. I'm just going to keep on. This is the Modern Renaissance palette. I hit pan on one shade over here, and that is, there you go, Gold Ochre. If you watch my palette bingo video, you know that I didn't like the color, and I'm happy I hit pan on it. Honestly, those pans are not that deep. They're like maybe like this. I'm happy that I hit pan on that one. It's my least favorite color in that whole palette, and I just wouldn't want to use that up. I'm just going to show you this one. This is the Meet Matte palette. As you may know, this is my the primary Panda palette, you know, my official one basically, and I have a new shade. So if you remember, this was like a normal white color, and there was just a tiny bit left, and I figured, okay, maybe I can, like, it was just like in the corners of here, and it was really hard to get out, so I repressed it, and I was like, okay, that's just a little bit. And then I remembered I actually have 2 more white shades in this palette, and I mix them together, so I used 3 shades, and I'm left with 1, so I technically used up 2. I know it doesn't really make sense, but it makes sense to me. I'm still working on this one. It is like a white with like a lot of shimmer in, and it's a nice brow bone highlight. It's a nice highlight itself, so I feel like I can use this one up very quickly. Then the 2 whites that I used is actually from this palette, and this is one that I made a lot of progress on. This is the Essence All About Grace palette, and this is what it looks like. So I only have 1 shade left. I finished 1. I got rid of 2. And then these 2 white ones I actually used to make the other white. So this palette itself was not that good. This darker shade is nice. I mean, it looked nicer before I used it. It looked like a black with brown shimmer to it, basically. That was nice, but the rest, like, I did my 90s glam, my current look 90s glam video, which I will link here as well in case you want to see it. And I used the light gray, like the silver one, and that was horrible. It was horrible to use. It was horrible to use dry. It was horrible to use wet. It didn't look good. So I got rid of that, and I got rid of another one. I think it was this one, like a darker gray, and then I used 1 shade left, like half a shade if you want to come like this, and I actually use this one every single day just to see how long it takes me to use it. If I would finish this palette within the next two months, it would be nice. Yeah, this one I have a lot of progress on. I totally forgot to write down what I did and what not, and it's a mess. So this is the Makeup Revolution palette, the Flawless Matte, and this is what it looks like. I hit pan on this one, on this one, on this one, on this one. Finished 2, and the rest I hit pan on. Like I'm confused. Like I totally forgot to write that down. As you can see, I'm actually doing a very good job with this. This is my brow shade currently. I use this for fake freckles, which works out okay. Like I don't really have the like the tools to do that, but so far it's okay. So I hit pan on it, which is nice. This I use on my lid, and this I use in my crease, and so far it's actually working nicely. The black one, I don't think I have a black shade in my collection, so I really want to keep this until the very last in case I want to do an inspired look or just anything. So I will probably keep this for last, but the rest is doing good. So I'd be happy if I had like half of the palette gone until the end of the year. That would be nice. How many in here? 32 palettes, so I want to use up 16. I already used up 11. So 5 more, and I'm halfway done with this palette. That would be nice. Like I already hit pan on 4. I mean, I think I can do that, right? But I still love this palette, and although these all look the same, they even look the same on camera. I can see that from my, what do you call it, my flip screen. They all look the same, especially these 4, but they are slightly different, trust me. These 2 here that I can use for a brow color, you know, to fill them in. These I have for blending, and this is like a lighter one if I just want to use a minimal makeup. Like it's a nice palette. Very, very excited. This is going so well, and my next focus would probably be Golden Ochre, because I just yeah, I just don't like that color. If I finish this one up here, this one, I will probably use Golden Ochre just to get rid of it, basically. It's a good palette, like I can highly recommend this palette. I just don't like that color on me. It looks very weird. It looks like a pukey greenish color on me, and it's just not, it's not that pretty. This is it. Like I'm doing really great. I really want to focus. This is my main focus, the All About Grace palette, because there's only one shade left. Only one. And it's not that pigmented, so I have to go in twice in order to get like a nice color, or a nice color payoff, and I feel like I can use this. And if not, I'm probably gonna cry. So I hope you enjoyed this update, this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if not already, and see you in the next video.